Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to make Mozilla Firefox default web browser in Windows 10. Watch this video until the end. Pay attention to this little arrow to follow the steps. I will show the current default browser in Windows 10. When I click on a link, the default browser will display the link. And currently Microsoft Edge is the default browser on my Windows 10. Okay, now Firefox has become the default browser on my Windows 10. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.